Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming your connection baseline, verify ISP status, and reboot modem/router to clear transient faults. Once done, switch to wired Ethernet or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band because stability reduces packet loss. Make sure to avoid public hotspots. Close background apps, pause large downloads, and set Fortnite's process priority so CPU and bandwidth focus on the game. These steps remove common contention and give you a clean environment to diagnose deeper network issues quickly and reliably. You now diagnose the connection, run ping and traceroute to Fortnite servers to identify high latency hops or packet loss because pinpointing the problem path directs fixes. Change DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 and flush your DNS cache to reduce resolution delays. Next, configure router co-s to prioritize gaming traffic, ensure required UDP/TCP ports are forwarded or allowed, and update router firmware to patch networking bugs. These targeted optimizations typically eliminate routing inefficiencies and stabilize gameplay latency. You finish by adjusting final settings. Aim for an open NAT type and enable UPnP if your network security policy permits, because restrictive NAT often causes matchmaking and packet issues. If problems persist, test Fortnite on a different network or mobile hotspot to determine whether the issue is local or ISP side. If the fault stays, collect ping/traceroute logs and contact your ISP or Epic Games support. Sharing those diagnostic speeds, troubleshooting, and helps engineers resolve routing or server-level problems more effectively.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.